Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Zepto Product Personalizer Shopify app tutorial for beginners. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you add Zepto Product Personalizer here? Well, first let's discuss the actual app. So if you're not aware yet, Zepto Product Personalizer actually have their own website here to view an overview, to see an overview of what they can offer. Now, in their website, as you can see, the key highlights or features they have is they give you live previews. They have like the best customer experience they offer here, and also they have like unlimited customizations. Now, what can you actually do with the app? So you could actually add customizations that you want. So in this case, you could actually add product options, input types, conditional logics, additional charge, and suitable field style here. If you want to view that specific customizations that you could do here, you could go and click on the appropriate one here on their official website. Now, for their pricing, obviously, since this is a premium app here, you need to pay for their plan. So you have the starter, basic, moderate, and unlimited. Now, for the starter, it actually starts at $9.99 per month. But if you want to have an upgraded plan here, which includes like 200 personalized products versus the 50 personalized products on the starter plan here, basically you can do more with the basic, moderate, or unlimited plans here. But if you just want to try it out, you can actually try this for 15 days for free without paying for anything. Now, in this case, if you want to view a live showcase here and how it actually looks like, you can go to live showcase here and can view one of the following websites. So just for example, I'm going to open up one of the websites that they are showcasing here. So we have the canvas setter duffel bag here for this one. So this one. And in this case, let's just wait for this to load up. And from here, it's going to give us different ways to basically do or access the different products here. As you can see right now, it's quite customized. So if you want to access other options here, so let's just view the other one here, which in this case gives us the option to again choose different products here. And as you can see, different websites have their own way of showcasing their different products here. It's more really personalized to their website. Now, how do we install this into your Shopify store? So first is first, go to shopify.com here, click on your settings at the bottom left, and from here you want to go to apps and sales channel. Now, click on Shopify App Store at the top right here. And from here, you want to go ahead and just type in Zepto. And just click on Zepto Product Personalizer. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and click on Install. It should open up a new tab here, which in this case, once you open it up, what we need to do is we just need to confirm that we really want to install this. Now, by the way, it might ask you to approve an initial charge that might happen into your account. But if you're sure, just click on Install here. So I'm going to click on Install here to proceed with that one. And from here, it should now be installed. And as you can see, I have Zepto Product Personalizer here. So let's just wait for this to load up properly. Now, like what I said before, you have 15 days to do a free trial for this one. But first, you need to approve a charge that might happen on the following day. So if you don't want to proceed with the product itself, you can go ahead and decline this. Just click on cancel at the top right here. But if you still want to use 15-day trial here, you can approve this. But before the December 16, 26 here, you want to go ahead and basically uninstall the app or remove the subscription that you've approved in your Shopify store here. But yeah, so once you approve this one, you should be able to start using Zepto into your Shopify store and start customizing your products or your Shopify pages. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.